Okay, so hi everyone. So I'm going to show you how to calibrate the pH meter. So we have a portable type pH meter. So this one is quite simple. So we have to use the mode for calibration. This is calibration. So now the calibration they ask for pH 7 buffer, standard buffer. So we have here pH 7 calibrator, but before adding in we will need to wash and also wipe the insert. Okay. And put inside, and it will automatically you have to press enter for it to set to 7. Okay, so now it requesting for either different type of buffer calibration, either 4 or 7 or 10. So I'm going to put pH 4. This is a 3-point calibration, so we can use 3 different calibrators. Okay, so 4.01, press enter to accept this as 4.2. Now next is pH 10 calibrator. Okay, press enter. Okay, now the pH meter is ready for use. It's 100 ml. 1,000. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to operate this UV spectral. So we are going to use spectrum today. Okay, press enter, and then for pH we have done the preliminary setup where we're going to scan the wavelength from 200 nanometer, 210, 220, 230 until 280. So this is actually the buffer without furosemide mixture. Okay, so this is pH 2. So the light will be coming through here, so it must go to the clear side. Okay. So this is for baseline. So I'm going to press 0 at the baseline or blank. Okay, then this one will be washed and replaced with a mixture of furosemide, also pH 2. cuvette. Quartz cuvette need to be wiped before putting in. Okay, slot in, and then can press start, and it will automatically checking for all the wavelength that we have already set. So this is the graph that we get. So we need to key in for all the reading. So this is for 200. The absorbance we acquire is 0.56. So move on to 210. The absorbance is 0.77, and move on until 280. Okay, so from the previous scanning that we have done, so from 220 to 280, we can find the optimum wavelength to choose from, and we are going to use that particular wavelength for the second part experiment. Okay, so for this one, we're going to use absorbance because we already know the wavelength that we are going to choose. So press absorbance, and then set up to change the absorbance. Alright, and then use the wavelength we are going to set is 230 nanometer, and press enter. Okay, so we're going to start with 3.2. So this is the buffer alone without the addition of furosemide. Press 0 for blanking. Okay. Then start. So this is the absorbance that we are getting.